Hello everyone, Innovative Novel. It's me Anusha Rana, the basic level computer teacher of Noble Environment Academy. Welcome to our online YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe and more share. And don't forget to press the bell icon. The topic of today's class is computer hardware. Computer system is the combination of different physical parts like keyboard, mouse, monitor, etc. They are called computer hardware. We can define it as the components which we can touch and feel. Without hardware, software cannot work. Computer hardware is the body structure of computer and software is the life of the computer. According to the use and processing capabilities of the computer, we have different types of computer hardware. They are input hardware, output hardware, storage hardware. First one is input hardware. All the input device like keyboard, scanner, mouse, etc. are called the input hardware. These are essential to give data and instruction to the computer. Without input hardware, user cannot give the commands and data to the computer. Some popular input devices are discussed below. First one is keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and popular input device which gives input in the form of data and instruction to the computer. There are different types of keyboard like AT, Advanced Technology Keyboard, XT, Extra Technology Keyboard and Enhanced Keyboard. Some keys on keyboard are alphabet keys, function keys, numeric keys, special keys, caps lock keys, spacebar keys, etc. And second one is mouse. Mouse is a popular pointing type input device. It is used to move the pointer on the required position of the screen. We can draw pictures, play games and music with the help of mouse. Mouse has left, right and scroll buttons. We have different types of mouse like mechanical mouse, optical mouse, wired and wireless mouse. And third one is scanner. Scanner is an input device which works like a photocopy machine. Scanner captures images from the source which are then converted into the digital form that can be stored in the hard disk. These images can be edited using different graphics designs, software packages like Photoshop before they are printed. There are different types of scanner like flatbed, drumbed, optical and handheld scanner. And fourth one is joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move cursor pointing on the screen. It is used to play games on the computer. It consists of a stick that moves on a base to control the movement of the pointer or an object on the screen. Second is output hardware. Devices which are used to print or display the result are called output hardware. We can classify the output as soft and hard output. Soft outputs are visual outputs displayed on the monitor and hard outputs are printed output using printer. Some popular output devices are printer, monitor, plotter and speaker, etc. First one is monitor. Monitor is a popular output device that displays output on the screen. It is called soft output device. It is also called visual display unit. There are three types of monitor. They are CRT, cathode ray tube, LCD, liquid crystal display, and LED, light emission diode monitor. Second is printer. Printer are the hard output devices used to print the documents on the paper. Printers are connected on to the computer system and installed to make active to print. They print the text and images and other data on the paper. Popular printers are laser printer, dot matrix printer, and inkjet printers, etc. And third is speaker. Speaker is audio output device. We can get the audio output from the computer using different types of speakers. They amplify sound output. Sometimes we can use headphones to listen to sound from the computer. Third one is storage hardware. Hardware used to store data for the future is known as storage hardware. Without storage hardware, it is impossible to store the data and process them. Floppy drive, hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive are some storage devices. First storage hardware is floppy disk. It is a small storage device which is commonly used to transfer data from one to another computer. It cannot store a large volume of data. The storage capacity of floppy disk is just 1.44 megabyte to 2.0 megabyte. Second is hard disk. Storage device which can store huge amount of data and fixed inside the computer is called hard disk. All the data and programs of computer are stored in hard disk. The storage capacity of hard disk is measured in gigabyte and terabyte. Third one is compact disc or digital versatile disc, CD or DVD. These are optical storage devices. CDs and DVDs are mostly used to store audio, video and picture files. DVD can store large amount of data than a CD. The storage capacity of CD is measured in terms of MB, whereas the storage capacity of DVD is measured in terms of gigabyte. Fourth one is pen drive. It is also called a removable storage media. Pen drives are much more popular than CD and DVDs. The storage capacity of pen drive is measured in gigabyte. Now, homework for class 3 to 6. Question number 1 is what is computer hardware and explain the types of computer hardware. Second is describe the mouse, printer and hard disk. Third is define storage hardware with some examples. Fourth is what is input hardware and output. Thank you students. Do your homework and send in Messenger and Max app. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.